Dogecoin really is a minable coin that is right now exchanged at 7 cents per unit, with the market capitalization of $10,869,760,754 that explicitly makes it a mid-position digital money in a fundamentally significant manner. Computerized resources like Dogecoin in a real sense have currently certainly turned into the point of convergence of consideration for certainly retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for kind of huge institutional financial backers who see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a truly successful in every practical sense support against expansion that takes an essentially weighty cost for the worldwide economy. So, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its by and large current standing, as well as the mid-term and genuinely long-haul cost expectation that essentially depends on the readings of our sort of exclusive crypto unpredictability record, which in every practical sense is very critical. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin essentially remains at 7 cents, and this especially specific computerized resource for the most part stands firm on the 8th foothold in the worldwide cryptographic money by and large positioning in a sort of significant manner. For kind of your data, the really positioning of each and every cryptographic money sort of is vigorously dependent on its ongoing business sector capitalization and costs, and especially is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most cutting-edge data on the resource being referred to in an unobtrusive manner. Likewise, to in a real sense get a genuinely better handle of the market circumstance and figure out the overall bearing of the pattern, or to truly enroll its non-appearance. It's likewise critical to especially dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, which basically is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on April 24th, the cost of Dogecoin explicitly remained at 7 cents at the end of the everyday exchanging meeting, which is a 0.94% distinction when contrasted with the very current cost 7 days prior. On April 18th, the Dogecoin market basically remained at 9 cents as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, or so they sort of thought. As the outcome, the cost especially moved by 0% corresponding to its genuinely present standing. A month prior, on Walk 25, Dogecoin was estimated at 7 cents, which generally harmonized with our cost expectation for that kind of specific period in a significant manner. Contrasted with the very present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 5.55% cost move in a kind of huge manner. With regards to digital currencies, market capitalization serves basically more as a mark of the coin's offer or strength in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its truly generally speaking notoriety with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, which truly is genuinely critical. Numerous digital currency merchants view market capitalization as an exceptionally key marker to really be considered prior to pursuing exchanging choices, which especially is very huge. It really is determined by duplicating the genuinely all-out number of coins that by and large are as of now available for use by the fundamentally current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, as of now truly remains at 7 cents, or so they generally thought. Considering that equation, we really have determined the genuinely current market capitalization of Dogecoin to be at $10,869,760,754, which legitimizes its place as the 8th coin among those for the most part present on the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on April 24th, the market capitalization of Dogecoin explicitly remained at $10,962,561,162. Keep going week. On April 18th, the sort of aggregate sum of especially capital committed to Dogecoin really was laid out at $12,716,500,979. The information from a month prior, enlisted on Walk 25, by and large shows that Dogecoin fundamentally had a market capitalization of $9,822,901,511 in a sort of huge manner. On the other hand, while the market capitalization of Dogecoin fills in as a somewhat especially obvious sign of the size and the presentation of the surveyed cryptographic money, it could not in every practical sense be the proof that the exchanging volume on that market by and large is created in adequate amount, as will for the most part be in a real sense made sense of later. The volume could commonly be urgent while deciding the likely heading of the market and the strength of the expected cost development in one or the other course, which certainly is genuinely critical. The market capitalization in the example of a computerized resource could in a real sense be impacted by the quantity of really dynamic exchanges inside the truly relating blockchain network, or so they for the most part thought. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that in a real sense have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made and are either flowing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders especially cool wallets, which sort of shows that sort of all-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that all things considered have previously been mined, stamped, or generally made and truly are either coursing available or secured in designers or alternately holders especially chilly wallets. In every practical sense, All-out supply likewise considers any coins that have been scorched to keep a sound expansion rate. It can in a real sense measure up to the quantity of extraordinary portions of an organization that by and large is public on the financial exchange, all things considered, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The genuinely all-out supply of Dogecoin at present stands at 139,084,816,384 Doge in an every practical sense, enormous way. As currently made sense of, the flowing stock by and large is the most generally involved extremely metric for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to. It compares with the best estimation of the really generally number of coins that truly are public on digital currency trades and basically add to their liquidity in an unpretentious manner. Their volume doesn't in every practical sense incorporate the coins that generally are vested, marked in shrewd agreements, secured in advanced wallets, or fundamentally put unavailable for general use, or so they thought. The circling supply in every way that really matters is essentially what might be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the financial exchange in an extremely significant way. At this moment, the flowing stock of Dogecoin sort of is assessed at 139,084,816,384 Doge, or so they in a real sense thought. Moreover, the perusing of exchanging volume can really assist one within a real sense deciding better passage and leave focuses on the grounds that is per the guidelines of specialized examination, critical cost moves, pattern inversion, or solidifications frequently certainly happen at the cost levels that are joined by generally lovely high volumes, since those most certainly are the volumes where enormous cash for the most part had fundamentally come into explicitly play in a large significant manner. As per our information, the exchanging volume on the Dogecoin market especially was as per the following. Throughout recent hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market in a real sense added up to $349,902,748, which in every practical sense is very critical. Yesterday, on April 24th, the genuinely normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting essentially added up to $365,376,127, which is very critical. 7 days prior, on April 18th, the force of Dogecoin exchanging all through the meeting came to $1,360,504,687. This information, and the events on the Dogecoin outline, can by and large assist you with explicitly evaluating for yourselves the in every way that really matters, current circumstance available, and the possibilities of the cost heading in the kind of current course or making a kind of inversion in a fundamentally significant manner.